by the time you go.
Yes.
Anybody doing from seeds? Anybody doing seeds?
Sunflower seeds I got.
Sunflower, get the mini version, the smaller one, not the huge one.
Okay.
Wherever you grow, it's going to grow that tall.
Yes.
So what do you recommend, like, for someone like I've never?
Handpick. If you see a lot of them, go around and clean your plot. So that's the first thing is you want to get any bugs that are there because that's going to not make your plants whatever. Because you want to do spring or you want to keep some for your tomatoes and peppers, then do half of that radish, anything that you can get now.
Okay.
The soil is alkaline. That means it's good for what we are planting.
Okay.
Right? The pH of the soil goes from 0 to 16.
Okay.
6.5 is what is ideal for all of us. So
Okay.
we cannot plant anything like blueberries, rhubarb, things that need acidic.
Okay.
Don't need that.
Okay.
Either you want to make it whole acidic, but you don't want that because it affects the other plant too.
Okay.
So you want to make it, the soil is great, so no problem with that.
Okay.
Are they allowed to bring from outside? Egg shells gives calcium. So that later on, as your tomatoes grow, it's not going to get blossom end at the end of the tomatoes, get all black. It'll save you from that. So
Is it just for the tomatoes?
anything, it's calcium. But tomatoes really are the ones who get into this blossom end rot. So another thing you can do is, Mother's Day, whatever. So let me ask, what are some of the things you guys want to helps to deter the bugs? So that's one thing. Peppers and I think carrots, right? Then once you're planting, all right, you're going to water when you plant, and then you keep planting, they come every day, they can plant water.
Yeah.
But depends. If it's dry like this, yes, you are going to water. When is the best time to water? Basically, companion planting, plant tomato and basil. So you do tomato, put a row of basil, right? Put chives. What else can you plant? Oh, okras come very well. Now when I say okra, there are many types.
Yes.
Not the gumbo, the Indian okras are this, right? Called clements.
Clements.
You can plant from seeds.
Seeds. Okay.
Right? Now when you put the seed from a dollar store,
Okay.
make some holes or slit,
Okay.
put some topsoil, and put the seed.
Okay.
And always have markers what you put. Markers are easily available. It looks nice and you know where.
Where is what,
That way you can control your seeds.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
You can put it where you want. Otherwise, when you're going to put it here, it's all going to be lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's only thing is when it gets a little hot, coriander season's over.
So does
Same
it need
thing.
more water for that?
Yes, definitely. Anytime you just walk around, it's dry, any plant you want. Same thing with methi too. Have to be put around a corner because flowers bring bees. Flowers help in pollination. That's what I was telling Jared. As time goes, make big pots of flowers because you want butterflies coming in and honeybees and pollination for that. So I would say any herbs. Marigolds are great to deter, and so that would be good too.
Yeah.
So that way you do anything, right? No fertilizer in the beginning. I pick my tomatoes anywhere from Mother's Day, and then after 3 weeks, I will put some fertilizer. Right when you plant, no fertilizer, but after 3 weeks, yes. And what kind of fertilizer? Anything that's good for vegetables that you see, right? Only thing is when you look at the fertilizer box, it's one NPK, nitrogen, that's for leaves. The middle one is phosphorus, which is to give lots of flowers. And the third one, potassium, or vice versa, is for the strong roots.
Okay.
So if you get something that has a lot of nitrogen, you're going to only get leaves. So if you pick anything that's for vegetable, it will have the right percentage.